Hey you guys, welcome back with Life with Shy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so in this video I'll be making spaghetti, corn on the cob, and garlic bread. So basically this video is cooking with Life with Shy. So yeah, let's get into the video. Cooking, make sure your hands clean. You hear me? So now you want to get your sauce, shake it up, open it up, pour it up, foreigner.
Hit the beat live, you know Lil Juke made it.
So, spaghetti is done, corn is cooking, bread in the oven, and then we'll get back with y'all once everything is done. Hopefully, we need to add the butter and the sugar to the corn. Hey you guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. For the last time, this is the final product. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.